most important question of probability. Let us see the question. So question is what? An experiment involve rolling a pair of dice and recording the number that comes up. Describe the event A, the sum is greater than A. B, 2 occurs on either die. C, the sum is at least 7 and multiple of 3. Which pair of the events are mutually exclusive? So what is mutually exclusive? When the two events have no common, that intersection of the two events is 5, then they are called mutually exclusive events. So see, so first we are finding events A. So event A is what? Sum is greater than 8. So when we take the pair, so you see that is greater than 8. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Not possible. And 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Not possible. When we go for 3, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, not. So this is the 3, 6, 9. Then for 4 part, so when we take 4, so 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. So this is what? 4, 4. And this is what? 4, 5. The sum is greater than it. So 4, 4, 4, 5. And this is 4, 6. Again, sum should be greater than 8. So when we take from 5, so this is 5, 4. And again, this is 5, 5. Again, this is 5, 6. And when we take from greater than 8, so when we take 6, so it is what? 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. Okay, the sum is greater than 8. So here 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 4, 8. We should greater than 8. So this is not correct. Okay, so 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 4, 9. 5, 5, 10. 5, 6, 11. 6, 2, 8. 6, 3, 9. 6, 4, 10. 6, 5, 11. And 6, 6, 12. So these are the event A. Now see what is B. B is what? The 2 occurs on either side. That means maybe 2 on one first dice or maybe on 2 dice. So B 2 occurs on either die. So what is the answer? Maybe 1, 2. Okay, maybe 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. And maybe 3, 2, and maybe 4, 2, maybe 5, 2, and maybe 6, 2. And now C is what? The sum is at least 7 and multiple of 3. That way, sum should be greater than at least 7. And maybe 7 and greater than 7 and multiple of 3. So when we take sum is at least 7 and multiple of 3. Minimum 7 and multiple of 3 also. So when we take from first, so this is 1 plus 5. 6, it is not 7, not greater than 7. 1, 6, 7, but it not multiple of 3. So again go for 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. So first number will be what? That like 2, 6, 8, not multiple of 3. So there is no any element when 2. Now 3. So 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So first pair will be what? That is 3, 6. Again this is from 4. So when we take 4, then this is 4, 3, 7, 4, 4, 8, 4, 5, 9. So second will be what? 4, 5. Again start from 5. So this is 5, 2, 7, 5, 3, 8, 5, 4, 9. So this is 5, 4, 9. And 5, 5, 10, 5, 6, 11. Again go for 6. Then this is 6, 3, 9 and 6, 6, 4. So these are the sum which is at least 7 and multiple of 3. That is greater than 7 and multiple of 3. Now we have to find which pair of these events are mutually exclusive. So first we check from A and B. So first find A intersection B. So A intersection B 3 6. So here no 3 6. Again 4 5. So here no 4 5. 4 6 not present. Okay. 5 4 not present. 5 5 not. 5 6 not. 6 2 6 3. There is a 6 2. So 6 2 is what? 8. But it is not multiple of 3. So we will not take 6 2. Okay. So 6 2 6 3 not possible. In the same way 6 4 not possible. 6 5 not. 6 6. So there is a no any common. So this is the 5. So A and B are what? Mutually exclusive. These are mutually exclusive. In the same way, you take B intersection C. When we take common B and C, so 1 2 not 3 6. So 3 6 not possible. 4 5 also not possible. 5 4 not possible. 6 3 not. 6 6. So B intersection C also 5. So B and C are mutually exclusive. Now you see AB, BC, A intersection C. So A intersection C 3 6, there 3 C, there 3 C. So there is a common. So A intersection B is what? Just like this is the 3 6, here 3 6 also. Again there is a 4 5, this is 4 5 also. Again this is 5 4, this is 5 4 also. And this is 6 6, and here also 6 6. So lot of events are common. So A intersection C is what? Just like here 3 6. And again this is 4 5. Again this is 5 4. So A and C are not 5 4 also, and then 6 6 also. So there is a 6 6, there is a 6 6. So A and C are not mutually exclusive. So A and C are not mutually exclusive event. Okay. So these are the A intersection B 5. So A B are mutually exclusive. B intersection C 5. So B and C are mutually exclusive. A intersection C not 5. So A and C are not mutually exclusive event. These are the correct answer. See the question. Question is what? 3 coins are tossed once. Let A denote the event 3 heads so. B denote the event 2 heads and 1 tail so. And C denote the event 3 tails so. And D denote the event a head so. On first coin. Which events are mutually exclusive, simple and compound? So for this type of question, first you see 3 coins are tossed. So A denote the event 3 heads. So A event equal to what? 3 heads. So this is H, H, H. Right? And B denote the event 2 heads and 1 tail. So 2 head and 1 tail. So 2 head and 1 tail. So this is H, H, T. Maybe this is 2 head and 1 tail. So maybe T, H, H. And maybe H, T, H. So here 2 head and 1 tail. And maybe here tail, then here tail, and then here tail. So 2 head and 1 tail. So 2 head, 1 tail, this is the condition. Now C is what? Denote the event 3 tails so. So C equal to 3 tails so, that is H. So this is tail, tail and tail. And D denote the event a head shows on first coin. D denote the event a head show on first coin. Okay, D denote the event a head show on first coin. So head show on first coin. So H, HH, right? Here also D denote the event A had, so on first. So first coin should H. Second, third coin maybe head, maybe tail, maybe any. But first coin should always head. So D denote the event A had, so. So on first coin. So maybe this is H T T. Maybe this H T H. Right? And maybe H H T. Okay, so in every part there is a what? First H. Here first H, here first H, here first H, and here also first H. And maybe any other things just like HHH, double HT, HTH. These are the event. Okay. So here show the on first one. Which events are mutually exclusive? Now you see A and B have no any common. So A and B are mutually exclusive. So first is mutually exclusive. So A and B, because A and B have no any common, so these are mutually exclusive. Again you see A and C. So A and C also mutually exclusive. And A and D have common. Again you see B, C. So B and C. So B and C also have no any common. So these are mutually exclusive. And what about B and D? So there is a HHT common, so it is not mutually exclusive. Now simple. So what means simple event? Simple event which have only one event. So this is HH and this is TT. So A and C. A and C are simple events. And third part is what? Compound. So here B have 3 space 1, 2, 3. D have 1, 2, 3. So B and D are compound events. So B and D are compound events. So these are the correct answer. See the question. Question is what? 2 dice are thrown, A getting an even number on the first die. Describe the event A. So you know when 2 dice are thrown, total sample space will be how much? 36. And we have to find describe the event A dash. What is an even number on the first die? So A dash equal to what? A dash equal to sample space minus A. So A is what? Even number on the first die. So A dash will be what? Just like 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Again this is 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 5, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Again here 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. These are the correct answer. See the question. 2 dice are thrown, B getting an odd number on the first die. So describe the event not B. Not B means what? Sample space minus B. So our correct answer is what? Not B. So total sample space is 36 and we have to subtract B, remove the B. So B is what? Odd number on the first die. So there should be even number on first die. So this is 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. In the same way this is 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. And here what is 6? So 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. These are the correct answer.